Hello everyone, we are in Photoshop and then generate a new design, creating these designs give a sense of editing where these designs so have a where finding it so we'll create a there.